This is my old Hoselock hose reel, and it's broke now this last 5 or 6 months. The hose is lying all over my yard, it's doing my head in. I'm going to get this new doorknob put on. I think I need to tidy it up, but over the winter I didn't care less, but now I need it working now, like. And this wee thing just screws off here. I said today is the first day we looked at it, and you screw off that end bit there. I don't jam this with my foot. You screw that off there. See, I don't mind when I built this up. This is years and years old, and that thing pops out off that side then. But all the wee teeth broke off it, and the idea is that goes inside the hose pipe there, and then you screw on your cap. But all the teeth broke off. I've tried it, and the last couple broke off. So what I'm going to try now, I was just looking there. It doesn't screw on. The screw part here doesn't hold it onto the hose pipe. The screw part here just holds the hose pipe onto this attachment. So there's no need for them threads. So I've got a Jubilee clip here. I'm going to cut them threads off there now with a hacksaw. And that gives me, there's not enough of grip there for that Jubilee clip to hold the hose on. I need to get the Jubilee clip further up. So I'm going to put that on the bench now. See how deep it is? I'm going to cut that off with a hacksaw. And that gives me room then to put on a Jubilee clip. Don't want to go out and buy a whole new hose. So we'll see what happens. Got the workbench cleared a wee bit since the last time. Doing a wee bit of tidying up. So I'm doing a lot of renovations in my house in the next couple of months. So I need to get red up. So I reckon if I cut that off a bit there, I'm only guessing like. Maybe I could cut all the threads off, you know, it's pretty deep. I'll try cutting that. I'll cut on the first thread, sure, I can always grind it down if it needs more. So it's only plastic like. It's hard to know. The thing is you could go the whole way out through like. And you know what, I'm cutting through too much. You have to be careful. It's not very thick, that plastic. I'm turning the phone off now to cut through the rest. Can't do it, need 2 hands. Cutting that off, you sort of need to keep an eye on there for the blade, you know, because I cut through the tube very easily. Last wee bit to go now, do it with my left hand. So you see the idea now that. So that leaves enough of room now for the Jubilee clip. I think I cut it a wee bit, you know, that was too aggy at the start, and I have cut it a wee bit. And I'm taking this vise up. So I have cut on there a wee bit there at the start, but it's alright, it's not the whole way through. So what I'll do now, I'll put the hose on here in the Jubilee clip, and that's plenty of room now for the Jubilee clip to grab on. So Jubilee clip's on the pipe now, put the pipe inside here, slide her up. As far as she goes. And then everybody knows how to tighten up a Jubilee clip. I'll tighten that up now, and I won't interfere with the rest of the hose pipe, and that's on. The only thing I was thinking then, see all these other bits and pieces? I found them out of break, and the like of this part here, you could do the exact same. Cut that back and put a Jubilee clip on, instead of buying a whole new piece. If it keeps slipping off. The radio's on the background. I'm probably getting copyright now on my YouTube video, and that's here. That's what happens, you see. That's the job there now, like. That ain't coming off there. You are more wee tighten for luck, like. But no need to overdo these things. I'm doing it with. There now. So, that'll pop back now. The spring's inside that. That'll pop back in now to the hose pipe. Because where can you buy one of these, like? I'm sure I'm not the only one that's got this problem. It was leaking for ages. One of them things leaking for ages. I thought, well, someday I'll take a look at it and see if I can fix it. Instead of fixed it, it went haywire, like. Needs to pop out a wee bit. You need 2 hands for everything. Unbelievable. What I need to do is that. I need to hold this with my hand and twist this pipe so it pops out of there. That's what I'm going to do. One wee mistake I made. See, if we put the hose through the bottom, you need to feed the hose through that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get the front of the hose and do it the hard way, like. I could take that off again, but I can't be arsed. It's on now, it's staying on. So I have to get the front of the hose, pull it through this, I don't know, 20 metres, whatever it is, and then that'll do the job. So, tighten that up a wee bit. Stick on the wee adapter. Because I was going to bun that, so it was, but you had minimum wage, like, you can't bun everything. Our resources are running out, like, ozone layer and all that. So that's it. I'll feed the rest of this hose now through the front, and that should be the job done. Luna's helping me, like. Aren't you doing it? You're doing your bit. Luna's wee friend came up the road. She wouldn't play with. Out the front. Took her out. No, didn't want. She wouldn't share the ball. Our job's done now. That's her fixed now. No water coming out of the bottom now. This yard needs a hose down now, like. I haven't had a hose in ages. There you go now. Hose is going again. I can get the car washed now, you know.